Welcome back, guys. Welcome to the video lecture series on social media analytics. In this video, we will be discussing about behavior analytics. So, what motivates users to join an online group? When users leave some social media sites, and where do they migrate to? And how can we predict box office revenues for movies from tweets? So, these are some of the questions that we have. So, to answer these questions, we need to analyze or predict behaviors on social media. So, usually users will exhibit different behaviors on social media. One is individual behavior and the collective behavior, which is part of broader groups. So, when we are discussing about individual behavior, we will focus on one particular individual, whereas collective behavior will emerge when a population of individuals behave in a same way with or without some coordination or planning. So, our goal here is to analyze, model, and predict individual and collective behavior. So, we will do the analyzation, modeling, and prediction of the behavior individually and collectively in this particular chapter. So, let's go through the individual behavior. Let's discuss about individual behavior first. So, we can see that there are three types of individual behavior. One is user to user individual behavior, which can also be called as link generation. Like, what could be the user to user behavior of sending messages, unfriending someone, playing games with someone, following someone, inviting someone, some user. These are all user to user behavior. User community behavior is joining some group, leaving some community, participating in group discussions. These are all the example of user community behavior. Then we have user entity, which is also called as content generation. When a user writes a blog, writes a post, posts a photo on social media, these are all user entity behavior. So these are the three types of individual behavior that we can see. How do we analyze the individual behavior in social media? Let's see what is individual behavior analysis. So why do users join communities? So these communities can be implicit, meaning individuals buying a product as a community and people buying the product for the first time as individuals joining the community. Here community meaning group of people who are buying something. It need not be a group of people discussing something. It can be even group of people buying some same product. So this also forms this can also be called as community in social media. So what factors affect the community joining behavior of individuals? Meaning, what is community joining? Let's try and understand that. Community joining is nothing but set of people doing the same common tasks in social media, like buying the same product, tweeting about the same thing, same topic. This is called as community joining. What affects the community joining behavior of individuals? Let's see. So we can observe users who join communities. These we will have some determining factors which are common among them who are joining the same communities. So to observe users, we need some population of users, a community, and community membership information. So users who are all members of the community, we need some information of all these things. So to distinguish between users who have already joined the community and those who are new now joining it, we need community membership at two times, that is T1 and T2, where T2 is greater than T1. At T1 we will find users who are members of the community but were not members at time T1. So these new users form the subpopulation that is analyzed for community joining behavior. So what is our hypothesis is individuals are inclined towards an activity when their friends are engaged in the same activity. This I've already explained. If one of my friend is buying something, so I tend to buy the same thing. So this is the hypothesis that we do. If a person is inclining towards something, his friend also gets inclined to do the same thing. A factor that plays a role in user joining community is the number of their friends who are already members of the community. So the other hypothesis is, if more number of friends are doing the same thing, it means I will also tend to do the same thing. So in data mining terms, number of friends of an individual in a community, a feature to predict whether the individual joins the community, that is class attribute. These will help me determine the community membership in social media. So number of friends that a person has and probability will determine the probability of joining the community. So this is about individual behavior analysis.